So what last time we have seen the formula for, we have derived the formula for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, tan 3 theta, cos 3 theta, sin 3 theta. Just we will write all these things together now. This is what, first we will write this is what, sin 2 theta is what, 2 sin theta cos theta. This is same as 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Right? Then cos 2 theta is what, cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is what, 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Right? 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay? So these are the four formulas for cos 2 theta. Now see, from this one and from this one, okay? What we'll do, we'll shift your 1 to this side. So what we get there, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Right? So what is it? This is equal to 2 cos square theta. Right? Now from this one, from the second one, what we'll do, we'll shift sin square 2 theta to this side, and what we'll do, we'll shift cos 2 theta to that side. So what we get there, 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to what, 2 sin square theta. Now see this formula, if there is 1 plus cos is there, see there are two terms now, and this is what the single term. So if you don't want two terms, if you want to convert it to a single term, this formula is very applicable now. Right? So what is this? If there is 1 plus cos is there, what you have to write? 2 cos square. And what is this? This is the 2 theta, and this is what, just theta. That means you have to take the half of this one. You have to take the half of that one. Now if 1 minus cos is there, what you have to write? 2 sin square you have to write, and you have to take the half of that one. That means suppose we have the formula like this, cos of 3 theta suppose. How we can write this? How we can write this? This is what? 1 plus cos. Right? So we have the 1 plus cos. So how, what we have to write? 2 cos square. 2 cos square is right, and take the half of the angle. Right? If it is divisible by 2, divide by this. If it is 4 theta, write 2 theta. If it is not divisible by 2, write half as it is. So this is what is 3 theta by 2. This is 3 theta by 2. Right? See if there is this one minus cos 7 theta suppose. How can I? This is 1 minus cos. If 1 minus cos is there, what you have to write? 2 sin square you have to write. And you have to take the angle as the half. Right? So that means suppose you have 1 minus cos 10 theta suppose. How can I write? This is what? 2 sin square now, because 1 minus is there. 2 sin square and half of the angle. If this is what? 10 theta. Half of that one is what? 5 theta now. Half of that one is what? 5 theta. Right? So remember this formula, 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. Right? Okay. So we have the formula for tan 2 theta now. Tan 2 theta is what? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now here see, 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square. For tan theta it is 1 minus tan square. Remember this. Then sin 3 theta is what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Again this. Now see here. There is sin cube. So now for here there is no power. So So if you don't want the power, how you can write? We shift this 4 sine cube theta to this side, right? And we shift the sine 3 theta to that side. So what we get then? 4 sine cube theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta, right? Now you can divide by 4. If 4 is there, no problem, right? If 4 is not there, you can divide by 4 then. That means what here? This is sine cube. This is third degree. And here what? This is no degree now. My third degree directly converted into linear degree. 1 degree now. So this formula is very helpful for to reduce the degree of the sine. To reduce the degree of the sine. Right? Now cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is what? Cos 3 theta is what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Right? Now if you don't, this cos cube now, if you want to reduce the power of cos cube, so we'll use this formula. First we have to write the formula for this one. First we have to write the formula for this one. So that means what? Just shift this side, right? 3 cos theta to this side only. This is what is 4 cos cube theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Right? So here what? This is cos cube. Right? And this is what? So this third degree, this is 1 degree. This formula is useful for this one. Suppose you have cos cube 7x, suppose. We have the cos cube 7x. And we don't want the cos cube 7x now. We want to reduce the degree now. So in the formula cos 3 theta, there is the cos cube. Right? Simply we write the formula for cos 3x now. We write the formula for cos 3 theta, no problem. Cos 3 theta is what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Right? Now what you want? Cos cube 7x. So we'll write theta as a 7x now. So if you put theta is 7x, what we get? 21x now. Right? This is equal to what? 4 cos cube 7x minus 3 cos 7x now. Right? We get now this is 4 cos cube 7x. Right? We'll shift there. This is what? So therefore 4 cos cube 7x is equal to cos 21x plus 3 cos 7x. And if you don't want this 4, you can divide by 4 now here. Right? Because 4 is not there. So now see cos cube 7x. Any now. Angle may be anything. Just write the formula for cos theta and replace theta as what you want. The cos, see the angle of the cos cube. Right? So just replace theta as 7x everywhere now. Right? If it is 9x, replace 9x everywhere. Right? If it is x, then what? Write theta as x now. So, but you should remember the formula for cos. So that is tan 3 theta is not for helpful us. We are not using this formula for tan 3 theta. Okay? But you should remember the formula for tan 3 theta. Right? Just write that formula tan 3 theta. Okay. So now we'll see the application of this formula now. Right? So I hope that you can remember this formula. Prove that 1 plus tan theta by 2 is equal to sec theta. Now see, the formula for sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. Right? So if you want to write this sin theta is equal to what? This is 2 theta, this is theta. So I can write this is what? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I can write. Right? This is the formula for sin 2 theta. And I want the formula for sin 3 theta. What here? The angle is what? Single angle. This is double angle, single angle. So this is what? Single angle. This is what? Half angle then. This is what? Half angle. And we are taking half. Similarly, you can write cos theta also. Cos theta is equal to what? Cos 2 theta. So this is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Or 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Or 2 tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. We can write this formula. right? Half angle in terms of, okay. So this here, see, tan theta by 2 is there, so that we'll take LHS now. Take LHS. So 1 plus, I will write this is what, sin theta upon cos theta. This is what, sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Okay. So here what I will do, I will write sin theta, this formula for sin theta. How you can write this sin theta? This sin theta, what? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So 1 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon, I will write the cos theta as it is now, because I want to prove sec theta. I will write this cos theta as it is now. Okay, how do you write this word? Cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. Okay, so this is the formula for sin 2 theta into sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Okay, now this cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 get cancelled. Okay, so this is what, 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2 upon cos theta. So you have to apply the formula in the both the ways, right? From left to right and right to left also, right? Okay, so this is 2 sin square theta by 2. That means 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta is what? 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2, see, this is 2 is there. If 2 is not there, we can manage 2 now. We can divide and multiply by 2, we can manage 2 now. So 2 sin square theta is what? 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? So that means what? If theta is there, angle will be double here. Now here what? Angle is theta by 2. Angle will be double. That means this will become theta now. So how we can write this is what? 1 plus 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta, right? Now this is single. I will divide by this. This is what? 1 plus 1 upon cos theta minus 1 now. So this is 1 get cancelled, and 1 upon cos theta is nothing but what? Sec theta. Right? So we are through. Right? So you should remember the formula, and you have to apply the formula in both the direction, left to right and right to left also. Next, prove that tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 80 degree, tan 80 degree is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Okay, solution. We'll take LHS. We'll take LHS. Now see, this tan 60 degree, we have the value of tan 60 degree. We'll apply directly that. Right? Okay, so this is what then? Tan 20 degree. How we can write this? What? So tan, this I can write this what? 60 degree minus 20 degree. Okay? Take 40 degree. And tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. Okay? So this is root 3. Only root 3, not root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is what? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 upon our half is root 3. Now tan 80 degree. How we can write 80 degree? 60 plus 20. Tan of 60 plus 20 degree. Okay. Now what I will do? I will shift this root 3 to this side. So tan 20, keep tan 20 as it is now. So this is what? root 3 tan 20 degree. Now I'll apply the formula for tan A minus B. Okay, tan 60 minus tan 20 degree upon 1 plus tan 60 degree tan 20 degree into tan 60 degree plus tan 20 degree upon 1 minus tan 60 degree tan 20 degree. Okay, so this is what root 3 tan 20 degree as it is now. What I will do, I write, put the value of tan 60 degree. This is what root 3 minus tan 20 degree upon 1 plus root 3 into tan 20 degree, right, into tan 60 degree what, root 3 plus tan 20 degree upon 1 minus root 3 tan 20 degree. So they are the conjugate of with each other. These are also conjugate of with each other, right? So what we will do? We'll take the multiplication of numerator, we'll take the multiplication of denominator. So this is what root 3 tan 20 degree. So what? The a minus b, a plus b, what? A square minus b square. Square of the first term minus square of the second term. So take the square of this one is what? 3 minus. Take the square of the second one. This is what? Tan square 20 upon square of the first one 1. So this is what? Minus 3. This is minus 3 tan square 20 degree. Okay. So what is your formula? Formula is what? Tan C minus tan okay. Now we'll multiply by this tan 20 degree. So what we get? Root 3. So this is what? We multiply this. What? 3 tan 20 degree minus tan cube 20 degree now. Tan cube 20 degree upon, now see, we get the formula. Tan square 20 degree. Right, degree. Everywhere 20 degree. Okay. Now see, this is what? What is the tan 3 theta? Formula for tan 3 theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, right? Minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Right? This is your formula. Apply in the reverse direction now. So that means what? 3 tan theta. Your theta is what? 20. So that means what? This is tan 3 into 20 degree. This is what? Tan 3 into 20 degree. So this is what? Root 3 into tan of 3 into 20 degree. Right? So that is what? 3 into 20 degree is nothing but 60 degree. Right? So this is what? So I'll write, okay, I'll write here. This is what? Root 3 tan 60 degree. And tan 60 degree is root 3. Right? So this is what? Root 3 into root 3. So this is 3. Okay? So this is the application. So if you remember the formula, then it is easy. Right? So if you don't remember the formula, then the trigonometry is very difficult now. Right? So you should do more practice on it. Okay, so we'll take the next problem. Prove that 2 cosec 2x, 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x is equal to sec x cot x by 2, cot x by 2. Just go on writing, everything will be easy now. So we'll start from LHS. Start from LHS. Now see, by 2 is there, right? So somewhere you need to apply the formula for by 2. Half angle formula now. Okay, so we take LHS. So we don't know formula for in terms of cos, quad, cosec, cosec, right? So we'll convert this in terms of sine and cos now, right? Sine, cos, tan. It is better to convert in terms of this one. So this is what? 2 upon sine twice x plus 1 upon sine x plus 1 upon sine x. So this is equal to what? This is 2. 2 sine x cos x. 2 sine x cos x. Okay, plus 1 upon sine x. We'll take the addition now. We'll take the addition. See, what is the LCM? Your LCM is what? 2 sine x cos x is your LCM. Right? So here what? 2 cos x. If you multiply by 2 cos x, right? Your denominator is same. That means this is your 2 cos x. That means 2 plus 2 cos x, right? So 2 plus 2 cos x, right? Actually, if you divide by 2, then no problem for this. So we can divide by this, right? You remove these 2. So what we get there? 1 plus cos x upon sin x cos x. Okay? Sin x cos x. Now what is 1 plus cos x? Now see what you want. So you want sec x, right? See the RHS here. That means what? Don't disturb this cos x now. Don't disturb to this cos x. Right? You can disturb sin x now. Right? So what we will do? We will shift this cos x as it is now. Right? What? This is 1 plus cos x. Right? If 1 plus cos is there, then we can write this is what? 2 cos square and half of the angle. So we can write this is what? See, we can write this is what? 1 plus cos. 1 plus cos is what? 2 cos square. Right? If there is 1 plus cos, always write 2 cos square. And see what is the angle? Angle is x. Take half of that one. So this will be x by 2. This will be x by 2. Right? Now, see, you want to, you don't want this sin x also. So you can apply the formula for sin 2 theta. You can apply the sin 2 theta. Is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. Right? So sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 cos x now. This cos will be as it is now. Right? Okay, so 1 plus 1 upon cos x, we will keep this now here. 1 upon cos x. Now see, which your 2 get cancelled. Right? Your 1 cos get cancelled. Right? So what we get there? Cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. This is nothing but what? Cot x by 2. See what you want. Right? That will be your cot x by 2. So 1 upon sec, 1 upon cos is nothing but sec x cot x by 2. Okay? So this is very simple. Right? If you have the formula in your mind, then you can easily solve the problems. Okay? So I hope that you understand this one, right? So try to remember the formulas. Right? So keep all the formulas in your mind. Okay, so we'll stop here.